vintage Traxxas Nitro Hawk. I don't know if I've ever showed you guys this car, but I thought we would do a little start of it. I just got it running. It's not running great. One thing I have a question for you guys, I'm going to say it now instead of at the end. When I brake, the brakes are not very strong. If you guys know how to fix that, please let me know. And my steering's not very good either. The alignment's a little off on that side. Other than that, the car's pretty good. It's just the brakes are horrible. You'll see in the running video. I'm gonna go grab the air filter. I was just checking the carburetor. I'll put it on. Alright, so I got the air filter on now. We'll go fill this up with gas. Alright, so I've moved down to the ground now because I lost my camera stand. So I'm on my knees right now actually. So I'm gonna fill this up with gas. I'm only gonna do like a half tank. So I don't want to run this for super long. It's a very old car. I'm gonna be doing like kind of a vintage review on it, if you will. I was just driving it around a little bit, making sure everything was good. There's a leaf in it. And it seems to run okay, maybe a little rich, but other than that, it's fine. So the transmitter it uses is this Cougar controller, you can see right there. I got this off eBay. Prime the engine, and then I'll just start it up. It's a little cold right now. Hold on, give it a little throttle. And it died. I think the low speed needle's not adjusted properly. Maybe the idle. Hold on. Idle's too low, I think. There it goes. Where did I put that air filter? Where did I just put the air filter? Hold on, I gotta find the air filter. I'm kind of lost it. Alright, I just put the air filter back on. I got a little blister on my hand from pulling this pull start. It kind of hurts. So, do it one fingered. sorry, I lost my camera mount, so I couldn't really record. I was driving one-handed, so I couldn't really go full throttle either. I ran out of gas. I only put about a quarter tank. This thing loves gas. Yeah, but if you guys know how to fix that brake problem, it's a Traxxas Nitro Hawk, like I said. Let me know for sure, because I really, if I could get that fixed, I'll be very happy with this truck. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more on this truck, I'm going to be doing if you guys remember, I did the vintage RC series. I'm going to put this in there. But like I said, I can't imagine this car in the 90s, how insane this car was against other cars, because that's faster than a lot of like electric cars that I own. It's just crazy. So yeah, if you guys like this, give it a like. If you didn't like it, dislike it. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.